Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide someone's posts on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Facebook application on your phone, you'd like to go and download that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, that will actually be your home/main screen, and here you'll find the posts of course, your posts. If you post like something, you could find it here on the home page. You'll find the posts of your friends, the posts of the pages, groups that you follow, that you like, that you may be interested on, or even the, like here, sponsor or ad posts. So let's say, as an example, like you have a page which is annoying or a group which is annoying, and you don't want to see his posts or their posts anymore, and you want to hide them. So of course, for pages and groups, you can just go and click at like and follow, quit the group or something, and you will not see their posts anymore. Of course, friends as well, you can just go and click at unfriend and you will not see their posts anymore. But for the sponsored and ad posts, of course, it will be annoying for you to see them again and again. And let's say, for example, we are not even interested in the things that they are promoting for. So all you need to do, if you want to hide a post from someone's post, it could be, of course, sponsor, it could be another things. Of course, as this page, you can just go and click here at the X button, and as you can see here, posts hidden. You can do you can do the same as a sponsor. Just click at X, and as you can see here, ad hidden. You can do the same as at anything, of course, but it's surely will be annoying at just ads and sponsors. So that's all actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.